Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic RX-D550 radio and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio stops responding, like you're pressing the buttons and nothing's happening, or if it's making weird sounds, you're getting things on the screen that it's not supposed to, any issues like this, to get it working again, can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want any settings and everything like that and the memory contents to just be wiped off of it and have this back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do this really easily. So this unit has batteries in it, so we want to make sure that we take the batteries out. There's no batteries in it. And once we do that, there's no batteries in it, we can just unplug it. And then once we unplug it, we need to wait at least 30 seconds. And then once we've waited at least 30 seconds, we're going to come in and press and hold the power button. And then with the power button pressed, then we're going to go ahead and plug this back in. And all the while, just keep holding this. And just keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. It'll start to power up. And you will see, keep holding this, and then eventually you'll see just a bunch of dashed lines come across this display. And with this when you get nothing but dashed lines across this display, you can go ahead and release the power buttons, and this radio has been reset to its factory defaults. You can set it up like new.